Fatigued by unsightly slides? Look and don't believe what your eyes see. Video inserted on path to success. Numbers inserted once, chose font, size, copied. Numbers inserted twice, inserted 3, and inserted 4. Super. Added animation to the numbers. 1, 2, included 3, and included 4. Awesome! Your presentation is now distinct from others. Added a mask from the video to conceal the numbers and only display the year that is required. Do you want to know how I did it? Leave a heart in the comments, and I will reveal all the secrets. Voila! Your story is ready. But that's not all. Want more? Put a like, share this video with friends, or even with a history teacher.